In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add real-time search bar in Framer. By the end, you'll have a working search field that updates results as your visitors type, making it faster for them to find what they need across your site. Start by opening Framer and loading the project where you want search to live. This can be a new page or an existing design. The process is the same. Make sure you're on the canvas so you can place elements exactly where you want them. Next, look to the top of the editor for the plus icon. This is the insert control, and it's your gateway to all of Framer's built-in components. Clicking it opens a panel with categories that group elements by purpose, which makes it easy to find interactive building blocks without writing code. In the Insert panel, hover over the interactive category. This is where Framer keeps components that add behavior to your pages, including buttons, inputs, and, in our case, search. Hovering reveals the available options so you can quickly scan what's included. Now, select Search and click and drag it onto your canvas. Drop it where you want it to appear. Common spots are the site header, a sidebar, or the top of a results page. As soon as it's on the canvas, you've added a functional real-time search field. Framer's search component is designed to respond as users type, surfacing relevant pages and content without needing a full page reload. A few tips as you place it. Leave enough horizontal space for comfortable typing, and consider alignment that matches your site's navigation pattern. Clear placeholder text like search sets expectations. Consistent sizing across breakpoints helps the field feel at home on desktop and mobile. Good page titles and headings also improve what search returns, so well-structured content leads to better results. That's all there is to it. Open your project in Framer, open the Insert panel, hover over Interactive, then drag the search component onto your canvas. You've just added real-time search to your site in a few simple moves.